Hi, my name is Junway Aquino, and this is my topic about future perfect tense. Future perfect tense refers to actions that will have occurred or happened before another event or through in the future. It is formed with shall have or ordinary form. Will have plus past participle. Note, I and we use shall. He, she, it, they, and you use will. Note, use shall if you want to express strong determination, threat, law, obligation, or permission. Use will if you want. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, 1 minute.